Number 1. 2020 is the bicentenary of Florence's birthday. What year was she born in? She was born in 1820. Number 2. Florence was born in the city of Florence. In what country is that city? The city of Florence is in Italy. Number 3. Who was on the throne when Florence Nightingale was alive? The monarch was Queen Victoria. Number 4. What war were the injured soldiers fighting in? The soldiers were fighting the Crimean War. Number 5. How many nurses went with Florence to Scutari Hospital? The group of nurses numbered 38. Number 6. Florence was famous for carrying something. She was the lady with the... Florence was the lady with the lamp. There was another famous medical woman in the Crimea. Who was it? The other medical woman was Mary Seacole. Number 8. What pet did Florence keep in Scutari Hospital? The soldiers gave Florence a tortoise called Jimmy. Number 9. After the war, Florence created a maths chart. What type of chart was it? The maths chart was a type of pie chart. Number 10. Back in London, she started a training school. What did the students study? Her students were training to be nurses. For the full story according to Vlad, read Vlad and the Florence Nightingale Adventure, written by Kate Cunningham and illustrated by Sam Cunningham.